In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Klaviyo account. We'll walk through the essential areas you need to touch on day one so your account is organized, ready to collect subscribers, and prepared to send both one-time and automated messages. Start by heading to the Klaviyo dashboard and make sure you're on home. This is your control center. From here, open Campaigns. Campaigns are your one-time broadcasts like newsletters or promotions. Click Create Campaign to see the setup screen. You'll be prompted to name the campaign and pick a channel. Even if you're not sending today, it's helpful to explore the options and save a draft. Tip: use a clear naming convention so you can find things quickly later. Next, go to Flows. Flows power your automations, welcome series, abandoned cart reminders, and post-purchase follow-ups. Click Create Flow to view templates and triggers. Choose the website category to see options tied to activity on your site, then open sign-up forms. This is where subscriber capture begins and how you'll feed your audience for automations. Take a moment to review the layouts and targeting options so you know what's available when you're ready to publish. Navigate to the service area, then review the overview page. Think of this as a snapshot of your workspace. It's a good place to sanity check what's enabled and what's still in draft. From there, move into Audience. This section is the backbone of your messaging, and it's where you'll manage who you talk to and how you group them. Open Growth Tools to find the features that help you collect and grow your list. Then go to Lists and Segments. Lists are fixed groups you add people to, while segments are dynamic and update automatically based on criteria you define. Make note of where list settings and segment conditions live, since you'll reference these often when building campaigns and flows. Head over to Content and open Templates. Templates save time and keep branding consistent. Browse the library and preview a few to understand the editing experience. A helpful approach is to create a base template you can reuse across newsletters, promotions, and automations, adjusting only the content blocks that change. Finally, click Analytics and open Dashboards. Dashboards consolidate performance across campaigns, flows, sign-up forms, and audience growth. Familiarize yourself with the core metrics available and how to filter by time range. This is where you'll validate what's working and decide what to optimize next. With these areas explored, campaigns, flows, sign-up forms, audience, content, and dashboards, your Klaviyo account is structured for success and ready for your first sends.